In this video, we're going to talk about how you can conduct a generalized search for images inside Cricut Design Space. In future videos here, if you continue on with the lessons, we're going to show you how you can filter that search, in order to get the item that you're looking to get. So right over here, it says search among the 60,000 plus images. That's where you can type in what you are looking for. As of right now, you'd be searching images, cartridges, even items that you have uploaded and tagged. So this is where the search engine starts. So say for example I was looking for teddy bears, so I can type in teddy bears and hit the enter key, and now anything that was tagged with teddy bear or maybe something that you have tagged with teddy bear will be showing up here. Of course, we've already talked about in previous videos on how to get more information about the item, but if you simply find the item that you like, you select it, and then you click the insert image. Okay, so in the next couple videos, we're going to show you how you can refine your searches, do a little better at searching inside of Cricut Design Space.